Hi, this is Ryan Fgrave with Just an Effing Minute. Alright, today's tip's going to be a PowerShell tip, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you measure command. Okay, so I have a real quick real nice piece of code here that just simply creates an array, then it does a for loop. It does this 200 times, and it adds something to it adds I to the array, and it outputs what it's adding. So real quick, if I run it, I see it running, and it takes a little bit to run. If I wanted to figure out, well, how long does this take to run, what I can do is I can wrap this in measure command. Measure command, and then open and close parentheses. Because I like indentation, I'll space that out, and now run that again. And here I can see it took total milliseconds 4,900, so about 5 seconds. One thing that I like to do with measure command is I just really care about total milliseconds, because usually I'm more worried about the milliseconds. So I wrap my command in parentheses and just do total milliseconds. Then I can rerun it, and it'll just output the total milliseconds, so I can just real quickly spitball it. And then you might be like, well, why does it take so long to add these items to an array? Well, it's because of this write host. Write host is extremely slow. Writing output to the host in general is slow. If I take out write host, it's 37 milliseconds. So that's another tip for you. Don't put write host, write output, any of that stuff inside of your array to give yourself output. Instead, put it outside of the array, like write host. If you really want output, starting, stopping, something like that. If you really want output, because that'll be a lot quicker still than doing it the other way. And another quick tip on this, the good folks over at dbatools have a prompt. I'll put it over here. It's dbatools.io/prompt. It will actually put the time and how long the last thing took to run. I've modified it a little bit. I'll put a link to the gist of what I ran, because I don't care about what the current time is, because I have a clock right down here on every screen. So I just have how long the last thing took to run. So if you do that, now every time you run a command, you don't need measure command at all. I can just run it, and I see here how long it took to run. So see, it's a real nice way to get how long things took to run, so you always have that information right at your fingertips. And so yeah, that's it for the tip. All right, thanks. Bye.